back again. Just a quick video on where I'm staying, and that noise here in the background. I'm refilling my tank on my bus, water tank. So anyhow, let me turn you around. So this is what I have been doing for the last week, besides taking the air conditioner out of my bus. Me and my friend have been putting up these poles for their new fence. We'll probably put up another one this way tomorrow. The rest is easy beyond that. But this is his house. Take a walk around here. His camper, his shed, or his garage. And this is where he lives. Lives next to a church. So this is where he lives. This is in Buchanan, Georgia. They pronounce it Buchanan, Georgia. So anytime they have anybody coming into town that says Buchanan, they know they're an outsider. And there's the bus filling up the water tank from the reserve in the trailer. And they're getting ready to, they're going to tear that shed down right there, build a new one. But I think his property line ends at this big tree right here. But anyhow, just figured I'd show you around. Alright, so we finished all the fence posts. We were using a gas-powered hole drill for a while, until about down there it sheared the bolt. But I help with all this. Oh man, can't even see here. I think it was 50 4x4 posts. Had to level them and all that stuff. We had a string, keep them lined up. But we did it relatively quickly because you had 2 people working it, but still a lot of work and a lot of cement, a lot of 4x4s. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.